Hello everybody and welcome to another bottle railroading sort of thing. Today we have the old Tyco Canadiana shell. Years ago I converted this shell and put a Walther's chassis onto it and made it DCC. That was quite some time ago. Way back when dinosaurs roamed the earth. That was a good catch. I nearly threw you guys off the workbench into the toilet. Anyway, so the plan is we're going to get this thing up and running again in about 356 years. Now, I don't exactly remember what the problem was. Oh, I think the problem was with the wires were shot on this. I don't exactly remember. Anyway, I'm going to get something to hold my GoPro on, so that way I'm not holding, because I got to do this free-handed, and yeah, one hand's not going to work. Alright, I'll be back momentarily in 2 seconds.